Hey, hello everybody. We are going to do sight. So when you become a sommelier, you have 4 different categories that you have to concentrate on. And the first one is the sight of the wine. So we're going to go through that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at the colors. And you want to tell first if it's clear. So this wine is clear, I can see it. I always have a white background. And we look this way just to make sure that you can see through it. That's the first thing you want to do. Then we're going to check and see if there's any sediment or is there any bubbles. Not in this specific wine, there's no fluctuation. And then we look how bright the wine is. So this is a star bright wine. The reason I say it's star bright is because I can see it and it's very shiny in the light. And then we're going to say what kind of intensity is this color. Well, this is a medium intense color. And then the color, obviously, it's a white wine. And in the center, it is a medium straw. So when you look for white wines, you look for like a pale straw, medium straw, a yellow gold, or a brown. And then I look at the rim of the wine, and this is going to have a yellow hue on the rim. So I don't really see any green undertones. There's not really a watery edge, which really leads me to think it's really youthful. I don't think it's aged, and the reason is it's not really amber or golden or any of those colors. It's just got a nice yellow rim, so very subtle. And then we go to the viscosity of the wine. And we just look up, and it has medium plus viscosity. And what I'm looking at is the legs on this. And some people call it legs, some people call it tears, and there are some tartrates on this wine. And I definitely think that it's got some residual sugar, and I can also tell the body of the wine because of the legs on the glass. And there's actually a lot of alcohol, a pretty good consistent amount of alcohol for this wine. And that is it. So that is how you do the sight of the wine. And then we'll go to the nose of the wine, and then we'll taste through that, and then we do the palate, so we will actually taste it, and then we do the initial conclusion and the final conclusion. But that's the sight, so that's the first thing you do when you judge a wine. And that's it. So I hope that you learned something for white wines. And remember that always, if it is a light straw color and a green hue, it's going to be a very youthful wine. And if it's going to be a very brown wine, it's going to be extremely aged. And if you get a lot of gold reflections in the wine, then that means it's going to be more of an aged white wine. So it gets actually darker with age for a white wine. So anyway, that's it. And I hope that you enjoyed that little expertise moment. And we'll get to the second part, which is going to be the aromas. All right, cool. Thanks.